Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the upcoming 2025 Dacia Bigster, a model that promises to redefine the compact SUV segment. The Bigster is a significant step forward for Dacia. Its bold design language, characterized by clean lines and muscular proportions, sets it apart. While specific details about its dimensions remain under wraps, early indications suggest it will offer ample space for both passengers and cargo. Under the hood, we anticipate a range of efficient petrol and diesel engines, likely carried over from other Dacia models. The focus will be on optimizing fuel economy without compromising performance. It's plausible that Dacia will also introduce a hybrid variant to cater to the growing demand for electrified powertrains. Stepping inside, the Bigster is expected to offer a substantial upgrade in terms of quality and technology. Dacia has hinted at a more premium cabin ambiance, with soft touch materials and intuitive controls. Expect a larger infotainment screen and advanced connectivity features, bringing the Bigster in line with modern standards. Given Dacia's reputation for affordability, the Bigster is anticipated to offer excellent value for money. In conclusion, the Dacia Bigster represents an ambitious leap forward for the brand. With its striking design, efficient powertrains, and enhanced interior, it has the potential to disrupt the compact SUV market. While we eagerly await the official launch, the Bigster's promise of combining style, practicality, and affordability is undeniably enticing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage as we approach the Bigster's official unveiling.